Okay.
So last Monday, we discussed about the Four Noble Truths. Dunge
Demba si.
Demba, yeah, Kunchungi Demba,
Chungi demba.
Gope Demba,
Hui demba.
Lamgi Demba.
Lamgi demba.
Okay. So among them, Kunjung Demba, we have finished. We have discussed about the Kunjung Demba. Okay. And also I have explained you Kunjung Demba from the Sipakolos, this Wheel of Life's diagram. So this diagram, how it shows the Kunjung Demba. So there are two types of Kunjung Demba. First one is Legi Kunjung.
Legi kunjung.
Then second one is Nyomo Be Kunjung.
Nyomo be kunjung. Nyomo be
Okay.
kunjung.
So it shows in a diagram Nyomo Be Kunjung, these three poisonous is they are Nyomo Be Kunjung. Three poisonous are
Nyomo be kunjung.
attachment, anger and hatred, and ignorance. So these three are Nyomo Be Kunjung.
Nyomo be
Then
kunjung.
what is Legi Kunjung?
Legi
Okay.
kunjung.
Legi Kunjung, Le Karpo, Le Napo. Okay. So in upcoming class, I will discuss about the karma, Leg Kunjung, more detail in future in my upcoming class, not today. Okay. So one of you asked the question in our WhatsApp group. So I will discuss about this in upcoming class, not today. Okay, good.
Anila, okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Kayla.
That is your class. That is your question.
Yeah, Anila.
Oh, okay. Because all of your names are in Chinese letters, so I don't understand that who is asking to me question. Okay. So in this diagram, Le Carpo, this one, the white one is the Le Carpo, and Le Napo is the black one. Okay, done. So now, today, I will discuss more about this one, Dunge Demba. Okay, we have finished Kunjung Demba.
Kunjung Demba.
So Kunjung Demba is the cause of Dungel Demba. Kunjung Demba is the origin of Dungel Demba. Dungel Demba comes from Kunjung Demba. Okay. Is this okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Kunjung Demba is a root or is a foundation for the Dungel Demba.
Kunjung Demba is the foundation of Dungel Demba.
Okay. Now, if you look at the Dungel Demba has it also has three aspects. The first one is Dungel ki Dungel. Sadada dashamju dukha duk. Sanga da ngala ngel. Khaya da kyaki gu ki. Dungel ki. Sadada dashamju dukha duk. Sanga da ngala ngel. Dungel ki dungel. Suffering of suffering. Dungel ki dungel. I will explain this later. First, you just try to learn how to read it. Yeah.
Dungeng
Dungel ki dungel.
Dungeng ki Dungeng. Dungeng ki
Okay.
Dungeng.
Good.
Dungeng ki Dungeng.
Okay.
Dungeng ki
Now
Dungeng.
second. Jurwe dungel. Au kaya da jasham ju chura chur. Wa ha ki gu we. Sada da dasham ju duka duk. Au sanga da ngala ngel. Jurwe dungel.
Gyuwei
Au
Dungeng.
kaya da jasham ju chura chur. Wa ha ki gu we. Churwe
Gyuwei
dungel. Churwe dungel.
Dungeng.
Au kaya da jasham ju chura chur. Wa aki gu we. Sada da dasham ju duka duk. Au sanga da ngala ngel. Churwe dungel. Au kaya da jasham ju chura chur. Wa aki gu we. Churwe. Au kaya da jasham ju chura chur. Wa aki gu we. Churwe dungel. Churwe dungel.
Gyuwei Dungeng. Gyuwei Dungeng.
So churwa means change.
Dungeng.
Churwa
Change.
means change. Churwe dungye means suffering of change.
Gyuwa. Gena, it should be Gyuwa, right?
Yeah,
Gyuwa.
churwe dungel. Churwa means change.
Change. Gyuwa means change. Gyuwa.
Okay. Churwe means way, this one. This one is off. Okay. If we don't have this akigui, then there is this akigui means off.
Off.
Off. Gyurve dungel. Suffering of change.
Suffering of
If
change.
we don't write akigui here, then it means only change, no off. Suffering change like that.
Yes. Where to name?
Gyurve dungel. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Good.
You.
Okay. Then last one. Chapa duche ki dungel. Kaya da chapa
Kappa.
chapa.
Do.
Ao dasham ju du. Kaya da chatembo che da che. Du che. Kaya da jaki guki. Chapa duche ki dungel.
Kappa do
Kaya
check.
da chapa
Chap.
chapa.
Kappa.
Chapa.
Kappa.
Ao dasham ju du.
Do.
Kaya da chatembo che da che.
Check it.
Du che. Kaya da jaki guki. Chapa duche ki dungel.
Chapa do check it to name. Chapa do check it to name.
Kaya da chapa chapa.
Cap.
Ao dasham ju du. Kaya da chadengbo che da che. Du che. Kaya da jaki guki. Chapa duche ki dungel.
Kappa do check it
Namgil.
to name.
Oh, dimi ye sani shol kila.
Chapa do.
Yo.
Do check it to name. Chapa do check it to name. Chapa do.
Ya, niye kefil mati samba sama kera seya.
Chapa do check it to name.
Kera sama seya. Niye di ngara chigo seya.
Gani wanke. Ingkong gani wanke.
Now they say he's saying this closing time.
Closing time. The
Office
security
is
guy.
a closing time.
The security guy.
Yeah. Then I told him that I will lock the door, so don't worry.
Oh, okay.
You just go. I will
Okay.
lock the door.
Okay.
Okay. Chapa duche ki dungel.
Chapa do check it. Chapa do check it to name. To name.
Okay.
Chapa do check it.
Now I will explain you what is dungel ki dungel. Okay.
To name. Dunian
So
ki
what
dunian.
is dungel ki dungel? Actually,
Dunian ki dunian.
are you finished writing down?
아니 라
share
요
you.
아니
I
라不
will
用写了
I will
阿
share
丽娜
you
不用
the
写
I will share you the PDF file. Don't worry. You don't need to write down everything. So
Nothing the song
Ah.
because I read.
ah
My memory is
okay.
very bad.
Ah, how come your memory is very bad?
She have
Because
to
you are
write down
doing meditation, yeah.
She
So
have
those who are doing meditations, they have a very good memory power.
哦阿妮娜没有 meditation No meditation
Okay, now now what is dungel ki dungel? Okay, actually dungel ki dungel means, let's say, if you have a toothache, okay, toothache. Toothache means pain. You have a pain inside your tooth. Okay,
pen
toothache. And top of that, if you feel headache, that is a dunge ki dunge.
我听不懂 하고
First,
봤어
first you have a toothache. Yeah. Okay. Example, you have already one dungel. And top of that, if you feel another like a head problem, headache, that becomes a dungel ki dungel.
You
Double
mean
dungel.
you mean the painful at the same time
Yeah.
different pain
Yeah. If you experience two problems together, that is a dungel ki dungel.
苦苦啦苦苦啦苦苦坏苦
Okay, let's say
double 读念
today,
double 读念
yeah, today you have a fever. Okay. And also you have some kind of diarrhea problem. Diarrhea means loose motion. Okay, that is also a dungye ki dungye.
它是不是就是苦苦啊
Okay,
Okay
did you get my point?
Yeah in Chinese we say suffering is 苦 So
Oh,
读念及读念 double
okay,
读念 we say 苦苦
okay. So if you look at dungye ki dungye, Buddha, when he was prince, he was staying in the palace. And one day he went outside, outside the campus of palace. Then he saw the dungel ki dunge. Okay. So Buddha actually discover means he found. Actually, if you are, let's say, if somebody is suffering from cancer, okay, but it doesn't mean that everybody will suffer, everybody will experience the cancer. Somebody has a cancer, many people do not have a cancer. Okay, so your dunge ki dunge is not
different
Yeah, it's different than me. Okay, so but Buddha found there are 4 common dunge ki dunge. 4 commons means everybody will experience this dungel ki dunge. 4. 4. The first one is kewe dungel, suffering of birth. Okay. So everybody will experience this, this dungel ki dunge, kewe dunge, kewe dunge. Sakata kaya da chadengbo ke. Wa ki gu we, kewe dungel. Sakata kaya da chadengbo ke. Wa ki gu we, kewe dungel. Sakata kaya
I
da
have a question.
chadengbo ke. Wa akiku we. Ke we dungel. Sakata kayata chadengbo ke. Wa akiku we. Ke we. Sakata kayata chadengbo ke. Wa akiku we. Ke we dungel. Ke we dungel. Suffering of birth. So Buddha found, 4 types of dungel ki dungel. First one is a kewe dungel. Okay.
Tenzin has a question.
Oh, okay. Please go ahead.
我还以为是我麦克风坏掉了。
有听到，可是因为刚刚老师在带拼读。
OK
你
OK，
说。
就是怎么讲？他的那个is the saga the guy that get 怎么 get have a sa behind the， 就是他有没有萨后加啊？他不是应该有个萨后加吗？
养舅吗？
Wait.
养舅。对，养舅。给啦，给维基读念给 is 养舅是后加还是在后加？那解舅。
Do you see my screen?
Word. Yeah, Word.
Okay.
It's a Word document.
Okay. These are the difference between past, present, and future.
时态不同。
哦，
时态。
OK。
Okay.
I see.
The word with 解救 means the past.
Past, yeah.
Past, okay.
Kewe dungel. Okay. Did you get your answer?
Yes. Thank
Okay.
you.
Oh, okay. I didn't get your question, but I just guessed myself.
You don't understand?
I see.
You don't
Okay.
understand.
But he was speaking in Chinese. How would I understand?
Tenzin speaking in English.
But I felt that, he's talking about this. I just guessed. My guess was correct, yeah?
I say
Yes.
解救. I say 解救 is that right? 解救. And the 养救解救.
Yeah. So kewe dungel means suffering of birth. So yeah, if you look at the process of birth, not only the babies, mother also has a lot of pain. Isn't that? We can see the suffering of birth from both sides, mother and baby. And some mother, they die when they are not able to deliver the baby. Isn't that?
Yeah.
So today, people are doing a cesarean, means they are operating and take out the baby from the abdomens, mother's womb. It looks like very simple and easy, but this is not also very easy. This is not very simple. Okay, so this is a suffering of birth. Okay. Is it okay? What is the meaning of suffering of birth? Yeah.
Okay.
Now second, gawe dungil. Ragada ga
gawe dungil.
wa akigu we gawe dungil. Ragada ga wa akigu we gawe dungil. Gawe dungil. Oh, Buddha saw a very old person, when he goes outside of the campus of palace, then he saw an old man,
高
and he
维
saw the suffering of aging.
高维度念
Ga we dungel,
高维度
ga,
Ragda
we, ga
Wa
we
维度
dungel.
念高维度念高维度念
Okay,
你老不要一直写
ga we dungel.
高维度念
Understand?
understand
You
we
understand the
dungel.
meaning, yeah? Ga we dungel.
高维度念
Aging. Now we are becoming a old. That is a ga we dungel.
高维度
When
念
we become an old person, then we will lose our eyesight, we will lose our hearing, we will lose our smell, our body becomes weaker. Okay, that is the process of the aging, the suffering of aging.
高维度念高维度念
Okay, shall I go next?
OK
Okay. Na we dungel.
高维度念 illness 高维度念
Na wa kibuwe.
高维
Na
度念
we dungel.
Na we-
Na
Na we-
wa kibuwe. Na we dungel.
高维度念
Na wa kibuwe. Na we dungel.
高维度念
Suffering of illness.
度念
Okay, so Buddha has saw a very sick person,
illness
very sick person. Then he discovered all the people have to go through the suffering of illness. Okay. So I talked to you. I did a nasal surgery, my nose surgery. Okay, so I did this surgery.
illness
Yeah, I did this surgery. It was a COVID pandemic,
pandemic
2020. I did this
什么意思？
surgery.
他去做隆鼻手术哦。
Gena let me translate 那个 Gena 2020年去开鼻窦炎的手术，鼻窦炎
哦。
他开鼻子OK
Okay, so when I was in hospital, the men's ward, you know the men's ward. Men's ward means, so all the male patient, they can stay together in one big room, we call it men's ward. I don't know how to say in
what WARD Gena is WARD
yeah, yes, men's ward. Okay, so they have made the two parts of the men's ward, because they have shifted all the female patients into the men's ward. They have made it two parts. Because of the COVID pandemic, they need a separate ward for the COVID patient. So they have shifted female, patient into the male's ward.
How come
Yeah, and there is only one single curtain in between.
Wow
Curtain in between.
Wow
Okay.
Wow
And I was admit in the hospital, and I stayed in the hospital for only one night. Only one night. Oh, no, 2 nights. 2 nights I spent in the hospitals. So that very day when I did my surgery, and I was put into the observation for 24 hours after the surgery. And that very night, there is a one single curtain between me and there is another patient. That is a woman. She was screaming, like this, full day, full night, sorry. Full night, like that. So I was not able to sleep. Then I went to the nurse. Okay, then I asked her, what is the problem with her? Why she is, screaming a lot. And I told her that, can you give some kind of painkiller to her? So, they can reduce the level of pain. So I requested to the nurse. And nurse said they have already given a painkiller to her.
It's not enough.
Still, she is going through such a pain. So they have already given her a painkiller. Then I asked the nurse, so what is the problem with her? Then they said she lost her baby inside.
Wow.
Because they called it miscarriage. So it's very painful. So I have seen that kind of problems in the hospitals, So there are so many patients like that. So these are all the suffering of illness.
Gena, let me ask，涵涵，你知道 Gena 在讲什么吗？
住院，然后其他都不太清楚。
Gena, give me a minute
That
to
translate.
translate。就是他 Gena 住院的时候，因为那时候 COVID-19 的关系，所以他们的男生的病房移进来了一堆女生，然后他跟某一个女的病人中间只隔了薄薄的一层的那个床的帘子。然后那个女生就是叫了一整个晚上，然后就是很不舒服，然后 Gena 就去问那个护士说，你可不可以给她一些止痛药？然后他们就说已经给了，然后他说为什么她一直叫？他说因为她流产了。所以她很痛，就是她身体很不舒服，叫了一个晚上。那 Gena 说，有这个机会，她才会知道女性就是失去 baby 的这个痛这样子。所以她现在在讲的是苦里面的那个，就是那个 illness 病苦。对 illness 病苦，对 OK finished
Okay. So these are the suffering of illness. So Buddha also, he went outside of the palace first time in his life. Then he saw the old person. Then he found the suffering of aging. Then he saw the people, sick people, very sick people. Then he found the suffering of illness. Okay. Then last one, 치외 동일.
치외 동일. 차기구치.
아우차기구치.
아우차기구치.
아우차기구치. 와기구외. 치외 동일. Suffering of death. 아우차기구치. 와기구외. 아우차기구치. 와기구외. 치외 동일.
차기구치. 아우차기구치. 치외 동일. 치외 동일.
치외 동일.
치외 동일. 치외 동일. 치외 동일.
치외 동일.
치외
동일. 가외 동일. 나외 동일. 치외 동일.
개외 동일. 개외 동일.
가외 동일. 치외 동일. 나외 동일. 치외 동일. Chiwe dungel, nawe dungel, gawe dungel, kewe dungel.
给位读念，给位读念，七位读念，哪位读念，高位读念，
Okay.
给位读念，萨嘎达嘎呀达嘎，节不给位读念，给位读念。OK，给位读念，给位
So
读念。
Buddha also found when he was going outside of the palace, then he saw the dead body corpse. Then he found the suffering of death. Okay. I don't know in Taiwan, but in Tibetan, when people die, then the family will invite the monks and nuns to do the prayer.
Oh, yeah, the same,
Same, okay.
same.
And when they burn the body, okay, they will invite the monks to do the prayer.
Yeah, the same,
Yeah,
the same.
okay. And earlier, I don't know these days, when I was young, very young monk, around like maybe 13 or 13 years old, 14 years old, you know. So when we go to the, what do you call that, cemetery,
Mm,
you know the cemetery, yeah, where the dead body burns.
mm.
We call it cemetery, okay?
Cemetery.
Cemetery. When I go there, and if the person is male, then the monks will open up the body. They will take off the all clothes.
The dead
Then
people.
yeah.
Oh.
Then monks will apply the oil on the body so that body can burn properly.
Oh.
Okay. Then if it is a female, then monks will not touch to the body. Okay. Then the other lay people, they will take off the clothes and they will apply the oils. Okay. Then when I was young, when I was applying the oil to the dead body, then I noticed some people, they die like this, you know. They die like this. Can you see me?
Scared.
Oh, scared. Like this. And their face is like, it shows the sign of fear. Very fear, you know. And some people, they died like this, you know, tight hand, very tight. You cannot open this up. Very tight. And some people, they died not only like this, they die like, you know, open their mouths like that.
Oh.
And some people not only open the mouths, they also open the eyes also like that. Like that.
Wow.
So yeah, this is the full sign of fear. That is the suffering of death. Okay. Now they have no confidence, you know, where they are going to, where they are going to go after the death. Okay. And I have seen some monks, you know, when they die, they die in a meditation, you know, posture like this.
Mm.
And their face is very calm, no sign of fear. And when I look at them, I always feel that, oh, they might smile at me or they might talk to me like that. Okay, monks, they die in a meditation posture like this. Okay, so there are different kinds of death. So many people's, almost like all of us, we have to go through the suffering of death. And some, it is not nice to say, I saw some people, they have passed their urine. Urine, the urine.
Urine, U-R-I-N-E.
U-R-I-N-E, urine.
Let me check.
They,
Oh, okay.
at the time of death, they already passed their urine.
Oh,
Something like that.
let me check. Let me translate.
These are the sign of fear and suffering of death.
Okay.
Yeah.
跟老 1 minute. Let me translate. 涵涵，你懂吗？
哦，后面不懂。
对，跟他说呢，他看到很多人死掉的时候很慌张嘛，对不对？然后呢，可是有一些修行人、出家人，他们往生的时候是正念的，所以他是一个打坐的 meditation 的样子。可是呢，他说他更看到一些凡人，就是俗人，其实是还那个尿，就尿在裤子上。
那是尿。
他讲是尿在裤子上，对，
好惨。
好惨，就是他讲说，就是对于死亡的害怕。
要死了就尿了。
Because of fear, they could not control the urine, they pass out.
Urine, okay.
And not only the urine, some also they have, pass out the poop also. Like
屁滚
that.
尿流，屁滚尿流。
So these are the suffering of death. Okay. So all these 4 types of the suffering, we called it dungel gi dunge, suffering of suffering.
Dunyen gi dunyen.
So these 4 types of suffering, all of us, we have to experience this. We have to experience the suffering of birth. We have already experienced it. And we have to experience the suffering of aging. Okay? And we have to experience the suffering of illness in our daily life. Then we will experience the suffering of death in the end of our life. So everybody has to experience these 4 types of suffering.
Dunyen gi dunyen. Good.
Okay. Now second type, Gyurvedungel. Suffering of change. So what is the meaning of suffering of change? Like an initial stage, it looks like a pleasure. Initial stage. Okay, pleasure. Pleasure means happy. Pleasure, happy, happiness. But gradually, it turns into the suffering. Like if you eat the momo, first time, you feel very good, If you eat too much, then you feel pain, stomach pain. Then that becomes that is the suffering of change. Okay, if you look, many people, they don't understand the suffering of change. Many of us, we do not know. We feel that this is not a suffering. This is a happiness. This is a pleasure in our life. Okay, and we are searching that kind of pleasure in our daily life. If you look at the people who are drinking alcohol, who are consuming drugs, drugs, what do you call that, cocaine. These people, they feel that, they are enjoying the life. They think that, they are going for happiness. They are going after the pleasure, but that is not a pleasure. Consuming drugs and cocaine is not a pleasure. It will bring you a suffering in your life. Okay, did you get my point?
原来I need to translate
可以吧？
就是啊，我们佛教有讲三苦嘛，其实刚刚第一个讲的是苦苦，它第二个其实讲的是坏苦。那坏苦为什么叫 suffering of change？因为它是无常，就是说，当我们享有快乐的时候啊，等到那个快乐不见了，它就是变成坏苦。坏苦啊，苦就是我们喜欢的，我们对它是专有名词，就是汉传佛教讲它是专有名词，对我们来讲就是快乐不见了，它叫坏苦。
要有个过程。
对对。然后等一下他就会讲辛苦啊，没事，好 ，OK。
Yeah, suffering of change actually, it looks like very confusion to us. Many people are confused. They think that it is a pleasure for them, but it's not a pleasure, it is a pain. And we do not understand that this is a pain. This is a suffering, but we feel that this is a pleasure. So we are going after that. Okay.
So last week we talk about the attachment. So it's kind of suffering of change.
Yeah, attachment. Yeah. Yeah, attachment is very related with the suffering of change.
Okay.
So among this, there are many types of suffering of change. So one suffering of change, many people, actually it is very difficult to understand. Like you are falling in love with woman. You're falling in love with a man, one boy. And they feel that that is a, initial stage, you like him, you feel so happy to see her or him, something like that. When you are in a love affair, initial stage, you want his number or her number. Then in the end, you block her number, you block his number like that, Then you become, breakup. So breakup is not very big, Sometimes it becomes a divorce. As divorce is also not bad. Sometimes we can see, the woman kills the man, and the man kills the woman, like that. So that is the, what do you call that, true nature of suffering, So that these are all the suffering of change. I hope you understand what is.
Understand.
Okay, so many people, they don't understand that, falling in love, like a love affair, these are the suffering of change. They feel that falling in love with women is most, essential in our life. One time I met one Indian guy. He asked me a question. He asked me, "You are a monk?" Yes. I said, "Yes." Then he asked me, "You cannot have a marriage in your life? I said, no. Then he was asking me, what is the, what is the point of your life? So he said, no marriage means no happiness in life. This is what he feels that. So many people are confused. They think that these are the, these are the ultimate happiness. These
And
are the essential of life. But this is not.
Gela, what's your answer to the Indian guy?
How could I answer him? Because
you had to educate him.
So I asked him, what do you gain, what do you gain after your marriage?
And then what he said?
I don't know. He said nothing. He was laughing at me.
Nothing.
He was laughing at me. Okay, so these are the suffering of change. So if you look at the suffering of change, one of the difficult, one of the toughest thing that we cannot avoid is a love affair with the women's and love affair with the men's. Some people, they are, they think that money is everything. He always think about the money. Wherever he goes, money. That is also the suffering of change. If you have money, of course, we need money. Everybody needs money. I also need money, But if you go after the money, only, thinking about the money, then money will cause you a lot of problem. Money brings you a lot of problem in your life. Some people, they will, they lost their life because of money. It's very unfortunate, but that is the, fact. Did you get my point?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, like that.
Ah,
So some people, they think about the money. Some people, they think about, power, position. Some people, they think only about the woman, Okay, these are the suffering of change. Because these are not, happiness. These are all suffering. It looks like a happiness, but it's not a happiness. Because initially, it looks like happiness, but eventually it becomes into the suffering and problem in our life. Okay, so these kind of things, we call it suffering of change. Now, I hope you understand the meaning of suffering of change.
Yeah. 还懂吗？全懂。哦，这个你就全懂啦。
88%吧。
这个你就全懂啦。
没有全懂。
Okay. Now, can you see me?
Yeah.
Am I visible now? Because it is getting more dark,
I can only see your tooth.
Oh, okay. Okay, now last one. Khaba duche gidungel.
Khaba du geji.
Duche gidungel. So what is the khaba duche gidungel?
Khaba duche gidungel. Khaba duche gidungel.
Okay. Khaba duche gidungel means our body. Our body. Khaba duche gidungel. Dungel means, what is the Khaba duche gidungel? Khaba duche gidungel means our body.
Body.
Yeah, our body, which is produced by the karma and negative, thoughts and emotion.
Oh, epileptic.
Afflicted
Epileptic.
emotion.
Epileptic.
So our body, like if I die today, and what kind of body that I'm going to have in the future, my next life, I have no power to make decision. Okay, my next birth will determined by my karma, whatever the karma that I committed in this life. Okay, my karma will take the decision. It will determine what kind of birth that I'm going to have. Okay, so this body also the produce of my previous karma, my past karma.
Yeah.
So any kind of body which is produced by the karma is called the Kyabaduchigi Dungel.
Oh, okay. Let me translate. 那个有点难，好了，涵涵我来了。就是呢，我们的身体啊，它其实业力造成的，就是你现在这个身体是你过去生造的业，那你现在所造的业呢，会影响到你投胎之后，你来世要变成什么样的？就是六道嘛，就是我们现在的业会造成我们之后的六道。那这个呢 ，suffering of condition， 它就是来源是来我们的身体嘛。对于我们的汉传佛教讲叫行苦，行为的行，
网络怪怪
行苦，就是它是好，那你有听到吗？我刚刚讲就是我们所感受到的苦，是因为我们有这个身体，那我们这个身体是业力的业报身，它叫做业报身，对。OK.
Understood?
Yes,
Understood.
Okay. Now I give you another example. Let's say His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. So he is not like us. He said, I can live until the 113 years old. So he has a power that, how long he can live. And when when he wants to die. And after the death, whatever the birth that he wants to take, it is not like there is no any influence of karma. He has a full power by himself. But we have no freedom and no power what kind of birth that we are going to have in future. So his body is not Kyapadujig Dungal. It is not produced by the karma. Okay, translate this.
那个达赖喇嘛说他可以活到113岁，对，那就是他完全不受辛苦的限制，因为他可以来去自如，对，不像我们就是凡夫俗子，对 ，OK，
我们只能靠业力。
You understood?
我们被业力，对，被业力带着跑。
Oh, you understood my English. Okay, very good. Now your English is improving.
Yeah, improving.
Yes.
涵涵 is concentrate.
Now, our body is a foundation of Gyurve Dungel and Dungel Gi Dungel. If I don't have Kyabaduchigi Dungel, if I don't have my body, I cannot experience the Kyewe Dungel, suffering of birth. I cannot experience the suffering of aging, Gawe Dungel. I cannot experience the Nawe Dungel, suffering of illness. I cannot experience the suffering of death. I cannot experience the suffering of change. So Dungel Gi Dungel and Gyurve Dungel comes from the Kyabaduchigi Dungel. Okay, does it make sense? Good.
Yeah, good.
So Chapa Duche Ki Dungel is the foundation of all kind of other, dungel, other suffering. Good?
Yeah.
So these two dungel come from this one.
Mm. Mm.
Good?
Good.
Okay. Now, if you look at the Chapa Duche Ki Dungel, so next life, if you become Allah, God
Ha.
being, Ha.
God being ha.
La, 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 ta, la,
La hada ha.
la, ha, ta, la,
La
la,
hada
ta, la,
ha. Ha.
la, ha, ta, la,
La hada ha.
ha,
Ha.
la, ha, ta, la.
La hada ha.
You know
Ha.
the lasa, lasa, la.
Lasa.
This one is la.
Lasa. Ha.
Ha,
Hasa.
sa, la, la.
Hasa.
La, la, ha, ta, la.
La hada ha. Hasa.
Not ha, la, la. La, ha, ta, la.
La
La,
hada
ha,
la.
ta, la.
La ha.
La, ha, ta, la.
Hada ha. La.
La, ha, ta, la.
我
La,
怎
ha, ta, la.
我怎么听起来都是
La, ha, ta,
都是
la.
我怎么听起来都是哈
No ha, la, la.
拉哈达拉拉哈达拉
拉哈达拉，
Yes, yes. Who is
拉，为
that?
什么听起来都是哈拉拉
拉哈达
拉哈达拉？
ha, ta, la.
对啊，你看它字尾音是哈，对不对？拉哈达拉
Yes, yes.
拉
La,
哈
ha, ta,
达
la.
拉
La, yes, la.
拉拉
La means God, God being. Okay, then
哦
Lama in,
拉玛音，拉
demigod.
玛音
Lama in.
拉玛音，拉
Okay,
玛音，拉玛音，
拉玛音，
什么东西
Okay.
对不对？我查一下，
这是啥？
查一下。
okay. Lama in.
查一下。那不是一
Are
个
you
人吗？
translating this? Lama in.
拉玛音半神，拉
啥？
玛音，
The Indian Sanskrit
神
term.
神一中。
玛音，
Okay. Sanskrit term, it says asura.
阿苏拉。
Asura.
阿苏拉，阿修罗，
阿
阿修罗，
修罗
阿苏拉，阿修罗，
Sanskrit
拉
term.
玛音，拉玛音，
La means in Sanskrit term, Dev, Dev.
拉玛音。哦，阿修罗叫拉玛音，
Asura.
阿
Me,
苏拉，
human being, we are
密
all
密
me.
马基古密密
Makigu me.
马基古密，
阿 Q
Then Tudo.
云中
Tudo.
云东
对
Asha
做
the tuda tu.
对做
Okara da danar do. Tudo.
对做对做对做
中
对做对做对做，
Tashamju tuda tu.
大家
Okara da danar do.
对
Tudo.
做对做
Then
对
Ida.
做对做对做对
Okay.
做。
Then
Okay.
Idak. Idak. Yakiku
Idak.
yi. Ta wasu takasa tak. Ta wasur. This one is wasur. Okay.
Wasur,
Ta
对
wasu takasa tak.
一大一大
Itak.
一大一大
Itak. Then
Itak.
nyelwa.
一大
To maya da nyala nyel. Wa nyelwa. To maya da nyala nyel. Wa nyelwa.
刀妈呀的娘啦，年娃年
Oh,
娃，
nyelwa. To maya da nyala nyel. Wa
刀妈
nyelwa.
呀的娘啦，年娃
Nyelwa. Okay.
年娃，
Ha.
Ha.
Hamayin.
哈玛音，哈玛
Mi.
咪，
Tundo.
对桌对桌，
Ida.
一大一大一大
Nyelwa.
年华ita年华ita年华
In like if you becomes Allah, it is also the Khyaba Duche Gidungel. Because La, if you take the birth of La, if you become a La in your next life, La, is also the, your karma will determines whether you are going to become Allah or whether you are going to become a Lamain, whether you are going to be a me in your next life, whether you become a Thundo in next life, whether you become a Ida in your next life. So whichever the body you takes in your next life, all these bodies are the Khyaba Duche Gidungel.
这边有点乱掉了。
Confused.
Yeah, again.
Okay. I said Khyaba Duche Gidungel is my body or body because it is produced by the karma.
Karma.
Yes. Okay. So in next life, if you become Allah, it is also the La as a body. Okay, that body is also produced by the karma. La is also the Khyaba Duche Gidungel. Okay, Lamai also the Khyaba Duche Gidungel. Me also Khyaba Duche Gidungel. Hindu also the Khyaba Duche Gidungel.
True.
Animals, yeah. And Yida also the Khyaba Duche Gidungel.
Yeah.
Okay, Hindu animal has a body that is produced by their own karma, past karma.
Yeah.
So Hindu also the Khyaba Duche Gidungel. Yida also the Khyaba Duche Gidungel. Nyawa also the Khyaba Duche Gidungel.
愿望
So Khyaba Duche Gidungel is everywhere.
It's a foundation. It's a foundation.
So these actually we call
It's
6 types of sentient being. Oh, the power comes back.
Oh,
Now
finally.
you can see my face, yeah?
Oh,
So all these are the 6 types of sentient being. We call it Doa Rituk, Tibetan. When we chant the mantra Om Mani Padme Hum, it represents the 6 types of sentient being. Here, there is a 6, Om Mani Padme Hum, yeah? Om Mani Padme Hum. 6 syllables. 6 syllables, yeah. 6 syllables represents the 6 types of sentient being. Ha, Amai, Mi, Tundu, Ida, Nyelwa.
有没有人可以给我解释
I think I should stop here today because too much.
Yeah, too much.
Yeah, too much. Now it is like going out of your mind.
Yeah, Oh Mami Padme Hum comes from.
This is a Chere 6, mantra. What do you say in Chere 6 in Chinese?
Cherishing. Cherish. Let me check.
Our Lokeshwara in Sanskrit. What do you say in Chinese?
观音
Guanyin, yeah, yes, Guanyin.
观音
Guanyin.
Guanyin, is it Guanyin? I really don't know. I'll
Guanyin.
check it out. Okay,
Guanyin.
wait. Where is? Come on. Let me check it out.
Oh, again lah.
His Holiness.
You mean Papa Jersey?
Yes.
Papa 观世音菩萨。
观世音菩萨。
Papa Jersey 观世音菩萨。
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 Okay, so his mantra is Om Mani Padme Hum.
嗯
Okay, there is a 6 syllables. Syllables.
syllables
Yeah. Here,
syllables
look at me. Om, 1 syllable. Ma, 2. Ni, 3. Pe, how much? 4. Ma, 5. And last one, Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. I will show you. I'll show you. Now you are all
六字
confused.
大明咒了。
对，可是他现在在讲这个是他的出处是什么？他在讲这个吗？
他说六字大明咒是观世音菩萨的心咒。
对，但他刚刚讲的哦，妈咪北美哄，他一个一个讲的意思是
它是六道轮回还是
是吗？是跟六道轮回有关吗？
不知道？不然他干嘛讲这个？好
跟那
神奇
we know哦，妈咪北美哄 is come from 观音，
No, I'm talking about
嗯，
wait,
so difficult。
更复杂。
so difficult because of language.
跟那 you
你
should
别
you
站北
should
调
try
哦。
Now,
you should
now
try
here,
to learn Chinese。
okay, this is one. Okay,
On
one, yeah. Om,
on
one. How many letters there? 6 letters.
yeah
Yes, yes, this we know.
Okay, these 6 letters represents these 6 sentient beings.
Oh, so the Om is La, right?
la
Yeah,
And
these
Ma
6
is Lama
sentient
Yin.
beings here.
on ma
One.
ma means 拉玛营
These 6 sentient beings, okay. It represents the 6 sentient beings.
so on means 拉
Ha,
呃
Ani, Lama
on
Yin.
妈拉玛
Ma
营，
Lama
Ma
Yin.
is Lama Yin.
然后
Bei is
mi 是
Ma
咪
Ni
贝
Mm,
is
Tujo.
Tujo.
对做
And Ida Nyawa.
一大
mm,
鸟啊哦妈咪贝妹哦哦是这样子哦哦哈狗怂哈狗怂
So the cherry seek, what do you call that in Chinese? Pusa, what's that?
菩萨观世音菩萨观音菩
Guanxin
萨
Pusa
啊
has a
哦
compassion.
very
He has a
good.
compassion for all these sentient beings,
哦
all 6 sentient beings. His
哦
compassion can reach to the 6 sentient beings.
哦
The meaning of Om Mani Padme Hum.
哦 OK 哈狗怂哈狗怂
How was on?
哈狗怂
So
快要
I'm
崩
just
溃了
trying to connect this with the Om Mani Padme Hum.
哦
啥意思？
啊给我 let me
Om,
translate
Om Mani Padme Hum has a different meanings. Okay,
嗯
this is another one meaning.
哦 OK
嗯
let me translate 好像就是 on 妈咪贝妹 home 它的 on 就是
电脑放什么
就是辣，然后 on 骂就是那个拉玛营，它意思都是说妈咪贝 home 这6个字呢跟6道轮回的每一个都对应到，
哦，
也就是说六字大明咒呢它可以涵盖到6道。
嗯
OK
好抽象。
好抽象。
What did he say? The Pusang, what's that?
观世音菩萨
Guanxin Pusang
啊
has a great compassion to all these 6 types of sentient beings. His
OK
compassion
哦
reach out to all these sentient beings.
OK 就是观世音菩萨的慈悲可以涵盖6道，所有的6道里面所有的众生。对。